Hey guys, so I'm making this video real quick here to show you what's going on here. You might be wondering, what's this little purple thing around Mr. Cheng, right? This is my portable sauna that I just bought online. I put it on number 9 and my butt was burning. I put it on number 4 and my butt's still burning. Use a little flap for my hand so I can use my phone. And then it was on number 4, my butt was burning, so show you what it looks like here. So I just unzip it. See, so I'm just in here. Of course I have clothes on. Oops. Put it under my little chair here. Yeah. So I think some of you are leaving me now. They're escaping through this opening that I just opened. So now I have my wife put it on setting number 1. So we'll see. So it's not boiling right now. It's not creating steam. But let's hope my butt can survive, okay? Because it was super hot. One thing I think the reason is being that I'm sitting so low and right on top of the steam, like literally 2 inches, maybe not even. So I'm thinking that's the reason why it is super hot on my butt. Okay? So far this is just the first try. I'm liking it now because I am sweating in here. But we'll see how it goes after 30 minutes. So this has only been about a good 10 minutes, maybe not even. See the machine's down there. I had 45 earlier, so it started steaming at like 42, so about 3 minutes for it to start steaming. Again, the machine's down there before it starts steaming. So you could do 9 setting for the heat and up to 99 minutes, so about an hour or so, hour and a half or so. As you can see, it's only been about 10-15 minutes, and I'm sweating in here, and my butt's burning. So next time what I would want to do is maybe pick a different chair, and for sure not a steel chair because it's moist in here. I don't want it to rust, and of course I do not want it to heat up and burn my butt too. So right now I'm sitting on a bamboo chair, but I might have to move it to a different type of chair. Okay, bye bye, have fun, stay healthy, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for new videos. Bye bye.